Let me ask you something. Could you use an extra $500, $1,000, maybe even $5,000 a month? If you're over 50 and looking for ways to bring in extra income without working a full-time job, you're in the right place. Look, I get it. Maybe you're tired of the 9 to 5, maybe you want extra cash for retirement, or maybe you just want to do something fun and rewarding that pays well. Whatever the reason, today I'm breaking down the best side hustles for beginners over 50. No tech, no skills, no experience, just real ways to make money. Let's get started. All right, first on the list is becoming an online insurance agent. Now, before you say, Craig, I don't know nothing about insurance, don't worry, you don't need no experience, just a willingness to learn. They'll teach you everything. Whether it's life insurance, health insurance, or final expense, this is a great side hustle that can turn into a full-time business. I personally know people making $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month working from home. If you want a breakdown of how to get started, let me know in the comments. Next up, becoming a notary public. This is one of the easiest ways to make money. And with remote online notary, you notarize legal documents. People will pay you big money for just a few minutes of work. It's flexible and you can start with almost no upfront investment. Now, if you love recommending things to people, you need to check out affiliate marketing. This is where you get paid for referring products and services online. Here's how it works. You share a special link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need a website, a store, or even your own product. For example, if you love tea, fitness gear, or even online courses, you can sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank and start getting paid just for recommending them. It's passive income, meaning you can make money while you sleep. Now, do you have skills like writing, graphic design, customer service, or bookkeeping? Well, you can make great money doing freelance work online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour let you sell your skills for businesses looking for help. And the best part, many of these jobs pay $20 to $50 an hour or more. Did you know people will pay you just to teach you what you know? If you ever thought, I love to help others, but I don't know where to start, this is for you. Ways to make money: teaching, tutoring, math, reading skills, test prep. Websites like VipKid and Wizard help you out. Coaching, career fitness, mindset, business, sales sessions on Zoom, or create an online course on Teachable or Udemy. If you've got life experiences, you've got something to teach, and people will pay you for it. Now let's talk about making money while you sleep. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to create a steady stream of income without inventory or shipping. You can sell ebooks, share your knowledge on any topic, printable planners, budget planners, workout logs, daily journals, or templates like resumes, social media graphics, and contracts. Sites like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell digital products, and once you upload them, you can get paid over and over again. Imagine creating a simple planner or guide once, and then getting paid for it every single day. All right, we just covered 6 side hustles that are perfect for beginners over 50. Online insurance agent, high commissions, and it's flexible. Notary public, easy money, no experience needed. Affiliate marketing, passive income from referrals. Freelancing, get paid for your skills. Teaching and coaching, monetize what you know. And selling digital products, make money while you sleep. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my next video. Remember, it's never too late to start something new. Let's get this money. Y'all stay up.